Hi guys! Gawa po tayo ng kimchi tuna rice balls. That's our main ingredients. We have white onions, kimchi, at saka canned good tuna flakes. Lagay na tayo ng mantika at saka ilagay lahat ng ingredients. I-mekos-mekos na natin yung tatlong ingredients na yan. Ayan na po guys. At saka konting yuksu or soy sauce. You can use soy sauce. At saka 1 egg. I-mekos-mekos and then lagay ng kanin. And then konting sesame seeds. I-mekos-mekos ulit. At saka i-prepare na tayo ng kim. Durugin lang natin yung kim. Gaya ng pagdurog ng puso ng yung eggs. Sauce. Konting mayonnaise sa ating fried rice. And then bilog-bilugin. At saka ilagay na natin sa ating kim or seaweed liver. And then that's it. It's done. Ready to serve. Enjoy!